Achieve. Interesting.
What's your best memory of highest?
Casey was one of the first friends I made here when I came back because I didn't know her before, but she was super open and we clicked immediately. She's an amazing drawer. She's always there drawing on her iPad, doing really cool things.
Casey, good day.
I'd say definitely her art. She makes money off of it, I know that, to some degree. Art is hard to pull from yourself, but she gets through it. Her English lit is really good, very good analyzing, and overall just a very, very good at group projects and getting things organized.
She likes kind of old things and she knows the random old facts that all of us will be, what are you talking about? But I really love talking to her. She's very fun to talk with, to chat with. I really like her art. Very much different from what I draw, and I really love her style.
Tabby, she have a lot of interesting story and her knowledge about history and geography is really, really good. I think she might become an artist or a journalist.
Andy's a very courageous person and he engages in a lot of different sports. What I didn't know until recently was that he actually does Python coding, which is really interesting. And I think that will probably get him a very coding-based job.
Andy, kind of a very introvert person. Thought a lot about everything, even the smallest detail. However, he not expresses to everyone that what he thinks. He prefers to just analyze everything. And he's also interested in chess and sport. And he is a very ambitious guy.
Mila is such a sweet, beautiful human being. She motivates me. When I'm around her, I want to be the best I can.
I feel Mila is a very intelligent girl. If Mila come earlier, she would join additional math with me and would do very good in every subject that she attend.
She's also pretty good at science and math. She actually beats me. I feel like I get very competitive.
Nemo is different. She don't like language, but she's really good at math, or maybe some subject have logic in there, like science, physics, chemistry.
I really love her determination to study and work hard. Really fun to be around. Every time I talk to her or be around her, I felt really comfortable. And
she's super dedicated with her work and she's an amazing student. But she's one of those people who doesn't try to be funny but is funny anyway, and she always makes me laugh.
And Mila too. She plays sport really well. She have a lot of energy and she brings a lot of energy to our class.
Oceana is one of the people I've known the longest in my life, and she's an amazing friend. She never makes you feel bad about anything. She's an amazing artist and she's very creative and expressive, and I think that's shown also when she does literature. She really likes to dig deep into something and find the deeper meaning.
So is a really chill person. I think he's also quite funny. In our class, we usually have a joke that Sol will become a professional farmer. But I think Sol wants to become a scientist or something, yeah.
So wholesome. I could say comparing him to the other guys in our school, you definitely see when guys get older, they change and all this different stuff. Sol has, since I met him 4 years ago, he hasn't changed. He got maybe a bit taller, but that's it. He's just same old wholesome guy. Yeah, he vibes. He vibes. He's a living vibe. He's just there.
Sol is the nicest guy I ever met.
I think she's a good student and she works really hard. She writes really good about the subject like global or English.
She's really focused on school activities, and her belief is kind of like study is not everything. I think V is a really good leader too.
She made cookies this one time, I think it was for a fair or something. And you know how Subway used to make those really big, very dense, soft cookies? Exactly like those. Her baking skills are great. She's very aesthetic. She does a lot of charity work, which is very honorable.
I can always look at her and get motivated by all the things she can do because she's very determined and she can accomplish many things. Like a really cool businesswoman, like very